everyone! In this time of year, when Christmas is around the corner,
The Orthodox Egyptian Christians are now fasting, the Nativity fast. They can only eat vegan.
and also fish, except on Wednesdays and Fridays. So in this mini-series, we decided to cook 2 rice-based seafood dishes for them to enjoy during fasting.
Roz Sayadeya from Egypt and squid ink risotto from Italy.
Yum! So let's see how to make Roz Sayadeya.
The scene of this dish alone, filled with raw seafood, makes me happy. So imagine after cooking how happy I will be. Pull off the head and peel the shell of the whole body of the tiger prawns, but leave the tail on. It gives a nice crunch and an elegant look after cooking. Make a shallow cut along the length of the black line with a very sharp paring knife and devein the prawns using a toothpick. This is the intestinal tract, not a sand sack, like some people may think, so discard them. Put the peels and head in a saucepan, boil, then simmer for 15 minutes to make a stock for the rice. This will make it way tastier. And let's move on to the next step. Start by frying some chopped onions in sunflower oil in a large pot until it's soft and golden in color. Actually, in Egypt, we normally make the rice without adding any other veggies, but the fried onions should be very dark in color, but obviously not burnt. This will give the rice its unique brown color along with the cumin powder. Now it's time to add the chopped green Frigitello peppers. Just to make it easy on you, try to find thin-skinned peppers you can find in any Turkish or Arabic supermarket. Add the chopped tomatoes when the peppers are soft and browned, and continue cooking until the tomatoes have lost all the juices and completely softened. Scraping the bottom of the pot every now and then so it doesn't burn. Add cumin powder, a little touch of cinnamon, and the short grain rice. Stir for a minute or so to make the rice firmer when it cooks. And don't forget to add salt at this point and give it another stir. The prawn stock must be ready by now, so strain it and add 1 cup of stock to 1 cup of rice you're cooking. If you don't have enough stock, then add the rest in water. Put the lid on, boil for 30 seconds on high heat, then simmer on low heat for another 30 minutes.
Would you like to help me fry the veggies?
Of course, I'm here for this.
Okay, this way.
What do we start first?
Actually, with the oil.
Okay. I really love this.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's specific for like cooking like fish and stuff like this. It's really like a solid
It's a walk,
pound.
but I'm cheating a bit.
I'm really looking forward to this dish because I actually never tried fish cooked with spices. So I saw you while you were cooking putting like cumin and cinnamon.
Just a hint of cinnamon that balances all the flavors together.
Wow.
I want you to try this.
Oh, I'm looking forward. I'm really looking forward. Never tried something like this. This is fine?
Yes, perfect. With this, well. My dad actually does the rice exactly as I did.
Okay.
So this is my dad's special rice,
Oh.
and I love it. I always boil prawns.
With instruction. Okay.
Give this smell of the sea. It reminds me very much of home. My mom is from Alexandria.
Okay.
My childhood memories always on the sea. See all the fish, the raw fishes. You choose whatever you like
Oh.
and how you like it done. So I want half a kilo of this fried and I want half a kilo of this.
You must have like wonderful
grilled.
fish.
It's amazing. To me, fish is everything.
Yeah, you're a fishitarian, right?
Yes.
We have the tomato. And correct me if I'm wrong, even when we did the fatta, I remember the garlic be like a touch of your father's hand, right?
Yeah.
I know.
Now the garlic.
Okay.
I don't want it to burn.
Am I doing a good job?
Perfect. Well done. Being more Egyptian every day now.
So I'm gonna leave you?
Yeah. Me?
I'm going to fry some prawns to garnish the rice with. If you can keep a secret, this is my favorite part of the dish. Season the prawns with garlic powder, cumin powder, salt, and a squeeze of lime. Stir them and make sure they are all coated with the spices. Dust them with flour, removing any excess flour by gently tapping on them, which I didn't do. Fry them in any frying oil of your choice. The frying oil has to be very hot before adding the prawns, or they will lose the flour coating and will end up plasticky. After the oil is hot enough, put the heat down on medium, not to burn your prawns. I don't know why I squeezed the prawns in this little pan when I could have fried them in a bigger one, so don't do like me and use a bigger pan, please. This will take you seconds on each side. Prawns cook very easily, so keep an eye on them. They should have a nice golden color. Going back to the fried veggies, which Stefano helped me with, it's now time to cook the seafood. On a very high heat, add your seafood to the wok and stir for a few seconds. I went to the fish market to pick these lovely fresh tiger prawns, squid, and open shell mussels. See how big these mussels are? They are going to be amazing with the rice. Stefano helped me clean and cut the squid in medium pieces, so I can carry on with the rest. Add salt and cumin, give it a gentle stir, then put the lid on and let them cook for 2 minutes. I added the salt now to help release the seafood juices to have some sauce to enjoy with the rice. As all are cooked now, it's time to put the dish together. Put the cooked rice on a big serving plate, then add the stewed seafood around, along with the lovely thick sauce. Garnish with the fried prawns and enjoy the scene.
Ready?
Of course I'm ready. I've been waiting
Excited?
the whole time filming. Yes, I'm
Excited?
excited. I'm excited. It's very good. Guys, I wish you can try this.
It's my favorite.
Wow. Look, I would have never done it myself, trying cinnamon with fish. It's incredible. Something in there. And I love that. It makes really a huge difference. It gives another dimension. So well done. I love it. So what I like is that it tastes almost like a kind of a spicy fishy ragu.
Yeah.
You have obviously the distinctive flavors of everything, but it all comes together and it's still saucy, and I'm really enjoying it.
Thank you. This is one of my favorite dishes, to be honest.
And I can understand why, but if I may...
Yes, of course. Take some of the juices there. Yeah.
So, some of this
I just
lovely
left this plate there.
on purpose.
Yeah.
For this.
Because I knew that you're gonna do this.
Yeah, I know, I'm a cheeky monster. I always have to...
I know you too much now.
I'm not acting, yeah? I'm not acting. This is good, guys. This is very good. Yes.
Definitely, definitely yes. Alexandria, when I was born. It's a lovely city in Egypt. We call it the Bride of the Mediterranean Sea. You go there, walk on the beach, and all you can smell is the fresh sea breeze, grilled fish on the bone.
Coming from the fish restaurants?
Yes, and also the guys selling seafood stew by the sea. Eating seafood just takes me back to the days I enjoyed the most.
Roz Sayadeya is a seafood rice made with fish stock by boiling the whole fish or just the head. The stock is then used to cook the rice.
In Egypt, it's mostly made without stock, just cumin and fried onions. The word Sayadeya means fisherman, so it's basically fisherman's rice.
The origin of this rice is not clear. It's always been eaten and found near the sea.
You'll find it prepared in Middle East countries and cities where fish and seafood are their main diet.
Believe that this dish is originated in Lebanon and is usually served with tahini sauce and garnished with toasted almonds and pine nuts.
Also, Saudi Arabian says theirs.
This dish can now be found throughout the Middle East, so whatever its origin is,
It sure is one of the most delicious rice dishes you'll ever come across. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this dish. Watching this dish. Stefano enjoyed it.
and I fell in love.
This is a very authentic seafood dish, which I love, like, a lot. So please subscribe to our channel
Like and share.
and support us on Patreon. We really appreciate your support. Bye.
Bye bye. And whatever its origin is,
It sure is one of the most delicious. And all you can smell is the